7,000. Bumili kami nitong fruits. Kaya.
Bakit tuwing gabi lang ako nag-
Where the Spanish king. And then, may panibago kaming kakainin.
Oche.
Oche. This is oche.
Sorry?
What's this? Ube?
Blueberry.
Ah, blueberry.
Kalau dicampur jual, itu benar nggak sih Pak? Boleh. Boleh, it's okay. Blueberry sama coklat. Only you? Tiga-tiga gitu. Oh langsung. Oh 6. Aku lupa salin. Coba gini.
Thank you.
Oke.
Thank you. Thank you.
How
was it? Yeah. It's good and I really want the chocolate than the blueberry. Blueberry.
Tapos ko na. Sarap ng blueberry.
Yes.
Parang siyang crepe cake. Parang siyang crepe
Yeah.
cake. Ambot din nung ito.
Nito, pancake.
Yeah.
Pero 1,000.
We didn't bring our wallet. We didn't bring our wallet. Yeah.
Wait.
Ako 1,000.
Spicy, is that spicy? Peanut sauce.
Dia
Peanut.
not spicy. That one's not spicy.
no,
Dia enggak.
Look at this.
Na naman ng mga itik ni Kuya.
Mga anak ni Daddy.
Mga anak ni Daddy.
Na naman ang mga Junakis.
Nalibre na naman.
Thank you, Daddy.
Jolly. Ay, jolly. So,
Bye. Magbalik ng Pilipinas ako sa Pilipinas.
Lako, laki na nun.
Isaw.
Isang gift tayo, bro.
Isaw.
Saw?
I was just holding it.
Oh, matataranto na yan.
Hindi ko mahanap. Uy, kinuha mo na.
Uy, sinisip. Nanonibig ako dito. Hawak-hawak ko lang yung cellphone ko. Sinisiwa pa ako.
Ano ba? Ano ba ginarapin? Sorry.